Ligo wanaboroki wabali watakora matemo wanemono baguchikwe bwaterania Sensemelage University na Gusii College School chobunde ose Tibet schools ligo wanabaroka ne kubano bwoba kubwateka no kunyora kotaye we bande byabo anemono asogotene chiko bero muchando monne barobwo kunyara kwenyora chilona anemono aseroni ya HELB kolengana boroboni kwa muchire serikali asokondro kubwatoke ibande eganto baterwa kati ya boroki wabange ne chiko bero musigo mulito Gusii University College na school chobunde ose Tibet kubwatoka na mabwati bande ibira nyare kubakonya soko nyara chilona ulanchira mujoko genderelia na masomo unatokumanyigwa no mulikeito mirreda momanye aborokiwa bali baganiri Gusii University au imesi ya Kenya ni gabono besokiriye na kugikiria serikali asokolindoria okwena na kwibibande liyo kubakonya gusabira eloni ye maikante muna HELB asokubakonya ke masomo.
It's about the IDs. There's a delay of IDs coming, and as students we want to apply HELB scholarships, and most of us come from low families, and the HELB scholarship is the one going to help us. So I'm asking the government whether it will help us so that we can get the IDs and apply the HELB loans. I think that it's a challenge because I applied an ID on January and it's now almost 4 months too, and I've not gotten the ID. When we look at the HELB loans, the ID is the very best thing that you should have in applying the HELB loans. So there is a lot of delay.
Is the problem we have right now. I tried to apply, but somehow the ID was the problem, the major problem.
Kolengana na boroboni gono nyene portfolio gwa pra chikosi ekwira egeka konyorekana ase metandao egento kirire abange kunyora gwa pra chikosi chiria paganetie.
The very problem we have like is maybe something like network. We have ever been facing cyphers. The very first details is entered, maybe personal details, and you the network drays around. You can even stay in the cyber for almost a day. Then tomorrow, then you go there, you know. That's the other problem we have got around on application of HELB. Even the other time when we were applying for Gusii, we never came through such a network problems. I wish you maybe bring out some technical improvement around maybe to cope up with the very problems around maybe.
Kentukirire aborokiwa bange kuligia obokonye kurwa ase abasemya ase aborokiwa kurwa bobasi bono banyora amegeli chinchira barachie kubwatia kurwa ase bobasi professionals.
We have pants. Let us know the very good pant for clearance of our fees, because most of our families are very down, you know. Like me, I come from a very unfortunate family. We need, and my course it needs more money. I'm paying almost 650,000, and we need to be educated on how to have a very good panda for application, because I came through there for.
Dr. Samuel Siringi oyolengentenenera bogosemya abasayabo niga kwanere igure university funding model na sasemirie abayibuli abange guchagotatwara oboba igure yo morobere yo ekegaranigo orabego kubakonya wetera ase ogosomya abana babo.
You might recognize that last year the government introduced the student-centered model of funding universities. Under this system, the students are actually given fee structures that show the entire amount of fees that they will pay in universities. Now this has been misinterpreted by some of the families to mean that they will pay all that fees that is in the fee structure, when in reality the government is catering a lot into scholarships and loans, and therefore today this clarity will be put to the students that we are having.
Gulipotele egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ile taliane Mildred Momanyi.